The Spleen by Jessica Pugh and
Lily Stone.
Anatomy.
The different parts of the spleen are the red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. The spleen produces red blood cells. It also contains plasma cells, which produce antibodies. And antibodies are protein that gets rid of bacteria. It also contains macrophages, and macrophages is a type of white blood cell that gets rid of foreign matter. The spleen also has islands of white pulp. White pulp is a cover of lymphatic tissue surrounding the arteries of the spleen.
The location of the spleen, it is below the diaphragm, it is left of the abdomen, and it's almost completely surrounded by the stomach, and it's protected by the rib cage. So the sickle cell disease, what it does, it changes the RBCs, which is red blood cells. It changes them from their circular shape to a crescent moon shape, and that causes the RBCs to block the blood vessels. And when this happens, the spleen might have to be possibly removed.
Asplenia is abnormal spleen functions, which means your spleen is still there, but it's not functioning normally, and so that may cause huge infection risks. It can also cause diseases that destroy the spleen forever.
Spleenomology is the enlargement of the spleen. It is caused when the spleen is overloaded with work, and it can also be the cause of abnormal red blood cells being destroyed in the spleen, and it includes many infections.
The spleen functions as a blood reservoir, which means it emits the blood into circulation. The spleen's blood is stored in two places, the venous syncytium and the red pulp. The spleen recycles old red blood cells, and it supplies the blood with emergencies.
A few things you might not know about the spleen is it's a purple color, it's usually about the size of the fist, and it's a helper to the other organs.